Welcome to Scents from the Laundry Room.
Wait, isn't it Sniffs from the laundry? It's Sniffs from the laundry room.
Welcome to Sniffs in the Laundry Room,
where we sniff scents and tell you how we like them. Today we'll be smelling 100 Acre wood. This one we already know Allie likes. Again.
One of my favorite scents.
Why is it your favorite scent?
I don't know, because it's good.
It's very descriptive. What does it smell like to you?
Good.
There you have it, folks. It smells good.
I don't know how else to describe it besides, like, amazing.
I like it because it's light. It would be great
Yeah.
in a nursery.
It reminds me of, like, a baby's sheets after they've slept in. That's what it was.
After the baby has slept in?
Yeah, because, like, the newborn baby smell, you know?
So 100 Acre wood equals new baby smell. I know a lot of ladies who like the new baby smell.
Yeah, apparently people like it.
So what would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. Thank you for coming. No, what is it?
Thank you for smelling.
Thank you for smelling the baby sheets. Thank you for watching Sniffs from the Laundry Room.